Is it recording? Alex, today's our chance to be the person that we yelled at all day yesterday that cut in front of us.
All right, yesterday I wanted to yell at him, today I want to hug him.
It's an exciting moment, right? To be that person. Our first lightning lane.
It's like popping your cherry.
Right? I didn't say that. I didn't say that. I might have meant it, but I didn't say it.
Come on.
Of course, my favorite all-time ride. How you doing? The unforgettable oh dear of the Pirates of the Caribbean. It's kind of an odd saying, but no other ride smells like it in the entire world. While we were on the Pirates of the Caribbean, I got a notification on my app that our dinner reservation is ready. However, I forgot about this reservation and we ate just a couple hours ago, so I'm not really hungry. But the menu looks pretty amazing. So we're gonna go check it out anyway. Reason being is if you get too close to your reservation time, you cannot cancel it. It takes a credit card to hold it when you're using the app, and you could get charged. So what the hell? Let's go check out the macaroni and the shrimp and catfish combo. I'm down. Riverbell Terrace. This menu is definitely not something that I'm used to seeing in Vegas. I mean, crispy cornmeal catfish and shrimp. I'm all about that. Don't know about warm pimento cheese dip. Deviled meatballs and grits. That sounds like something I'd like. Sweet and sticky pulled pork, fried catfish and shrimp. This sounds very, very interesting. I'm gonna have to try it. Pimento mac and cheese, that sounds odd, but we're gonna try it out. I ordered catfish bites. And a burnt ends grilled cheese sandwich. I'm not even that hungry. And so Alex ordered a fried chicken sandwich, and he said he wasn't hungry, so he just ordered a fried chicken sandwich. And the waitress walked by with a tray full of them, and they were about 9 inches tall. So hope he's hungry. I'm such a terrible filmmaker today. That was catfish and shrimp. Now it's just a couple of pieces of catfish left, and that was really, really good. I'm super surprised. Because I haven't had catfish since I was a kid, so I've always been told that catfish is pretty much a garbage fish. But it was delicious. I loved it. Loved every bit of it. So, you able to handle this?
No.
Look at the size of this chicken sandwich. That is, I totally love it. Look, it's got that pickled slaw on top too. And it's got big giant pieces of chicken in there. I don't know what's on top of the chicken. It's got his ketchup, it's got his tater tots. And this is a burnt ends grilled cheese sandwich. So there's burnt ends in there, beef. I don't know what kind of bread this is, but it's toasted really, really kind of hardcore there. And a handful of tater tots with some ketchup. This was like $23 for this, for a grilled cheese sandwich. There's just a bit outside. There's just a hint of Cajun spice on here. Just a hint. I mean, it's like very little. Not spicy at all. And this is a piece of roasted chicken from the kids' meal. It's flavorful, but it's dry. These sandwiches are super heavy, super dense. There's no way in hell I'm gonna be able to eat this sandwich. There's barbecue sauce or something in it. It's different. Of all the restaurants in Disneyland on the app that you can eat at, this is almost always the one you can get a reservation for. Whereas the other ones, they're like impossible, even 2 weeks in advance. you can't get a reservation to them. So food wasn't bad. Would I eat here again? Probably not. It's just one of those things that I don't really care for. It wasn't bad. I don't think anything tasted bad. It's just not my forte when it comes to dining. So, but I ate it. That's my opinion on it. I'm gonna move on out to the park now and see what we can get into before it gets late. River Belle Terrace was good. Service was amazing. It's just not my thing. It's just not my flavor. It's not my vibe, man. So I probably won't go back there. But there's a lot of other places you can eat at when you're here.
Would cause such a scare. The children, nestled snugly in their beds, would have nightmares, monsters, and skeleton heads.
What a crazy day yesterday was. We're already on a new day. My body is killing me. And we still didn't get to ride Runaway. We're gonna try again today. Couldn't get in the queue this morning. It's not looking good, guys. Might have to make another trip. Nothing wrong with that, love Disney. But right now, it is time for an American staple. An American institution. It is time for breakfast. And that's where I'm going now. The good old-fashioned Denny's Grand Slam. The French Toast Slam. And Alex got this. Yeah, oh, it looks really good. Just hungry. $60 for 3 people to do Genie Plus. I'm trying it for the first time today. Never done it before. Usually I'm the one who's complaining that the poor people like me have to watch as the people that can actually afford Genie Plus get to cut in front of us. But it's Sunday. We're back. We're gonna see if we can't get on this damn ride. Since I'm not a Disney vlogger, we're gonna do this together. Congratulations, select a date today. Today's our day. And we're at Disneyland, so boom. Continue. Estimated total time, 160 minutes. We actually get to ride Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. It's $20 per guest right now, so it's another $60 for me to do this. Between 1 and 2, we get to ride. Right on, we get to ride it. I don't know why I filmed all this, but that's how it works. I just spent a whole bunch of money for 3 people to ride. $120. Just craziness.
1, 2, 3, 4. We shine together, tell everyone to see, like where we wanna be. There's nothing better if we believe in a fantasy. It will carry us away, you and me making memories today. Step into the magic, let us all be come to life. This is a celebration, every color shines so bright. Sing along with us. The words are, turn on your light. Come on and live the magic. So much to find. Come on and live the magic. Sing along. Turn on your light. Turn on your light.
Saturday was an adventure. It was the second day of the 100-year, officially the second day of the 100-year celebration at Disneyland. We could not get on Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. So for the first time ever, I have opted into Genie Plus. We paid for Lightning Lane to ride Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. And it wasn't cheap. And I'm the one who's usually complaining about how these people step in front of everybody else who also paid to get in the park. But hey, I came here to ride this ride. I'm gonna ride this ride. So today's evil plan was cold, cloudy, rainy, Sunday. None of these people are supposed to be here. It's just as busy, if not busier today than it was yesterday. But that's cool. Everybody's here to see the mouse. Whether you're here to ride rides or stuff your face or just hang out, there isn't a more magical place to be. I love how the trees around the castle are cut into big squares. It's like Disney's playing Minecraft over here. You see all these poor people that are standing here in line not moving. Those are the unlucky few. Do you see this group of children that are gonna walk right on by like they own Disneyland? I'm a part of that group because I'm in the Lightning Lane too. We don't have, this ride doesn't have the, and now we get to pass all the poor people that are standing in the line like I did yesterday. Suckers. All kidding aside, the only reason why we did Lightning Lane today was to get on Mickey's Runaway Railway. But I'm gonna take advantage of it and learn what it's like to be rich at a Disney park, I guess, for a day. Because I'll probably never do this again, it's way too expensive.
19 minutes.
And just like that, the ride is over. We got, with Lightning Lane, we got the Lightning Lane. We stood in line, we rode the ride, and we're already out. Is it worth the $20? Yeah, I'd say so. 100 years of Disney. Coco, Merida, Pinocchio, Geppetto, Peter Pan, Captain Hook, Alice, and Mad Hatter. Awesome. Just a little cavalcade. Years. Now, unless you have a Lightning Lane or you've been added to one of the virtual queues if you're lucky, we tried it 3 or 4 times, couldn't get in. So we opted to pay $25 or $20 a person to ride this ride. You can't get in there. You can't even get into the Toontown. But since we paid, we get to come in and look at Disney's or Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway for the first time. And it's pretty cool. Pretty soon, Toontown's gonna be opening back up and we'll be able to ride Roger Rabbit again. But right now, we can actually go explore all these things. But I've explored them a million times. They're a lot of fun for the kids. It'll be cool when they get this all, it'll be cool when they get this renovation all the way done and we can come back in here again. How cool is this? This is so awesome. This is super cool. Check out, they got a little ticket booth. I wonder if there's gonna be an animatronic in here. We can no longer accept gold coins. On break.
No, the girl in the picture. Who's that?
I don't know who the girl in the picture is. Mickey Mouse Club discount. So if you're in the Mickey Mouse Club, you get a discount. Who's the girl in the picture? Alex is wondering. If you know in comments, say something. The Three Musketeers. Time to go on the ride, guys. That's what we came here for. We are Lightning Lane. I don't think it matters though. Everybody says the queue is an experience all its own. So let's check it out. It's not Fremont Friday, it's Goofy Friday. Oh, see, I'm gonna do my little watch thing.
Go ahead and scan here. We have 4 open scanners.
Right on. Look, it's the Mouseketeer. There it is. It was all started by a mouse. Oh, see, we can't see that because we're in lightning, but there's a Sorcerer Mickey over there. So cool. And there's his book. There's a Sorcerer Mickey in that cabinet. Maybe we can see it when we come around. Oh, this is the lightning side. So I guess in the standby line, you get to see all the fun stuff. But the lightning people who choose to cut the line don't get to see the fun stuff. I guess that's fair. I guess that's fair. There's a magic mirror right over there. We get to see this though, whatever this is.
Mickey's birthday party.
Oh, Mickey's birthday party. Mickey's birthday party cake. This is a prop cake. It is not real. Trust us, we tried it. Mickey's birthday party. Is this Jack and the Beanstalk right here? Or Mickey and the Beanstalk? Look, it's going up to the roof. Full-length musical cartoon feature, Walt Disney. Fun and fancy-free, Mickey and the Beanstalk. It is. Look. Oh yes, Alex says he found next year's Christmas tree. The broken ornament and everything, just like our house. Another broken ornament. This little mantle. Still walking through the queue. All right, I'm gonna pause it here and we'll start on the next fun stuff to see. There should be ride loading in here somewhere. Or oh, we gotta watch a movie first. Since this is hugely copyrighted.
Nothing can stop us now. I'll tell you how. We're gonna make it happen. Let's take a ride and spend the day in the countryside.
Good times are here to stay. We'll get away and have a perfect day. We'll sing a song and absolutely nothing will go wrong.
Now we're heading down the open highway, and then now you're going my way. Everything is just so peachy. Hi, Goofy.
Well, beautiful day for a picnic.
Yup, we're off to the park.
See you over there.
Nothing can stop us now. I don't know how, but come any trouble.
Oh, hiya, folks. Want to take a ride on the train? Yeah. Excuse me, you there?
Who, me?
Do you mind helping these good people into the cartoon while I fix this here locomotive?
That's not what I expected to do today, but sure, Goofy.
Thanks. Be back in a jiffy to pick you all up.
Oh, we actually get to walk through the screen to the ride. That's cool. There's a hole in the screen. That's so cool. Trippy, you don't even notice that when you're standing back there watching the movie. Wow, check out the queue in here. Very cool. To the trains. Oh, wow. This is so cool. Oh no, it's a twister. Look at Donald. He shot mustard in his eye. We'll be right back. Oh no, the tornadoes. And it's windy in here. That's awesome. We're swirling in the tornado. Oh, wow. Look at that huge tornado. Look at Mickey and Minnie. They're stuck in it. We came out in the land that time forgot.
Oh boy, we made it!
Oh no! Wow, this is so cool! No! Ah! God, this is so awesome!
That was a trap! Oh my God!
Uh-oh. Somebody let the water out of the tub. Oh my God, this is so cool. Oh, it's Daisy Duck.
It's so nice to see you. Come on in. Don't be shy. That's right. Everyone to your positions. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. We're all waltzing so beautifully.
We're waltzing.
Now, let's
Conga! We're Conga! Oh God! That was so much fun! Oh no, we're gonna get smashed! No! We're gonna get squished! This is an amazing ride.
Check my trusty man. Yes, I'll just press all the buttons and see what happens. If you don't have any other plans, well, hey, niggers, told you nothing was gonna go wrong.
Nothing can stop us now. I'm in so high. We finally get
Thank you, sir, for an amazing ride. See the end, and there's a hole in the screen. You walk back out through it. That's so cool. What's weird is you didn't see the hole in the screen when it was happening. So when the ride is 100% complete and they got it all stocked, the little souvenir shop is called Engine Ears. Souvenirs. That's awesome. I love Toontown. I love how bright and colorful it is. Everything looks like you're actually in a cartoon. It's amazing. Look, Department of Street Repair. Look at their sign. Now, I did the expensive route today to ride that ride, as did a lot of other people that are out here in Toontown today, because I asked them when I was getting on the ride, and I was cracking jokes about it as we were going through the ride about best $120 I ever spent. Now, it didn't cost $120 to ride the ride, but it cost $60 for 3 of us to use Genie Plus, and then at $20 a piece to get the lightning lane for this ride, because it's one of the ones that's not free. Big Thunder Mountain is free. We got to ride that for free in lightning lane, but this one isn't. So, best day I've had at Disneyland in a very long time. Totally worth it to be one of the first people ever to ride the ride. If you get to come to Disneyland and you get in lightning lane because you can't get it any other way, you got to do it. It is so awesome. I want to go do it again. Now we're going to head on out down the side that's not so steep. It truly is a good thing I'm not a Disney food critic, because we got these fried pickles that are actually whole fried dill pickle spears. Look at that. I mean, usually you get chips in Vegas. What do you think? Good stuff. I always like a waiter. I always get him when he's eating. You want this one? He doesn't want it, so I'll eat this last one. And you dip it in this ranch goodness stuff they brought us. There's a fried hot pickle. Delicious. Anyway, we're at the Carnation Cafe, which a trip to Disneyland with me, this is a must to eat. This is mine. The braised short rib over macaroni and cheese, and it too comes with the broccolini. It doesn't come with the screaming child in the background, though. And this is my favorite dish in all of Disneyland. It really is. I mean, I haven't eaten a Blue Bayou forever, but for regular eating, having a nice meal, this is it. You don't even know, and it's so freaking tender. Our macaroni and cheese, I'm freezing out here. Hot food, hitting the spot. Delicious hot food. 100 years of Disney. I love this place. I could sit here for hours and hours and just people watch, even more than I do at Fremont Street. But it's been that way since I was a kid. I've always loved being here. Especially loved it when my kids were young, because then I got to act like a kid with them. Now they're grown, so I have to act like a kid by myself. That's it. That's 2 days at Disneyland. DCA, 100 years of Disney. I had a lot of fun. I'm glad we came. Goal accomplished. Mickey's Runaway Railway. Now the next goal is to get back to the car without passing out. Drive all the way back to Las Vegas. I had a blast. Hope you guys did too. Thank you for watching. I will see you on the next one. Alex pointing out, I don't know if you can see the video, but this horse stall, this was Bess. I didn't realize the horses' names were in. This was Jess. So those were their stalls. to pull the fire truck, or the fire wagon actually.